Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. Yesterday I received my Temu, T-E-M-U, order that they gave me to pick some products, and I picked a set of markers because I do color a lot. Y'all know that. I color stamp images or I just color. I didn't need markers at the time because I still have a boatload, but I thought what an opportunity to try a product that I may need to do in the future. And this was the 12 set. I couldn't find it, but I know it's like $7. But they have a set on there by the same brand called Touch 5. And an 80 set of these was $30.48, which isn't bad. 168 set, $55.98. Or the 262 set for $71.98 was a great opportunity price. And they each are double edged to get the wedge, and I called it the bullet on each side. They got the name of the color in the number, like this one's number 56 and it's called mint green, 120 black, 23 orange, 9 page pink, 183 Fantago blue, it's a light blue, and 25 Salem pink, which is a good flesh color. I was really surprised. I never got a set with a light flesh color in it before, so I was really impressed with that. 45 Granera yellow, 15 is Duranium, which is a red. This is 70 royal blue, 48 is yellow green, 73 ultramarine, it's a purple, and 91 natural oak, it's a brown. So it's a good starter set if you're just starting out and you're not sure what markers. This set for, I think it was $6.98 for 12 of them. 3, 6, and 9, yep, 12. And I colored some images so I could show you how well they cover and what they can cover on. So I just grabbed a sheet out of my coloring book of these suitcases and colored it. I tried to use every color, and they covered well. Of course, it's going to go through in these little coloring pages anyways. So I did that one. And then I wanted to see if I could blend a little bit. So I did the blue, the two blues. This is the dark blue and the light blue. That's the flesh color. So I was, you could definitely work with that one color to get some flesh tones. And then I did this one where this is the blue, the dark blue and the light blue. I just followed the shadow of the coloring page itself. It turned out really good. I liked how it turned out. And then I did, this is on cardstock. I think she did pretty good, and that's all the colors that are in the Touch. So I did, the only color that is not theirs is the white. Oh, I didn't even do it in this one. Is the white, and you'll see that coming up here. Did I do it in this one? Yeah. Oh no, I didn't do it in that one either. Okay, but I wanted to see, because if it would color on vellum. And guess what, guys? It did. It did it nicely. The white on here is what I was talking about. This is my white paint marker. But the rest of the colors on here are this Touch 5 markers. And I can cut this on and can put it like this. This is what I think is so cool about working on vellum. Hang on, let me get a piece of white. Like this. Okay? That's with the color up front. Or I could turn it over and get that muted look. Can you tell the difference? It's so cool. And it looks so cool. Hang on. Going through my art journal. This is on vellum. But I colored this one. I did all of it instead of just doing some color. As you can see, I did some color on this. But this one's colored through. Look at how this is going to look. Going through. It's going to be so cool looking either way. So they colored great on vellum. So I was really nice and surprised. I would highly recommend these if you go to Temu. And right now, in the description box, there is a discount code for ya. So head over there, check them out, and see what you can find. I think it's 30% off your order. So I want to thank you for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.